I feel it, the burn, the resistance, the transformation. It's the fire forging the steel of my will. This is where limits are not just met, they are shattered. I am not simply lifting iron. I am sculpting my legacy, etching my name into the annals of greatness. I look around. These weights, these machines, they are not adversaries. They are the crucibles in which I am refined. They are the tools with which I carve away the weakness, the doubt, the mediocrity that clings to the edges of my soul. They are the instruments of my becoming. I am the sculptor of my destiny. I will bend iron, break barriers, and become the embodiment of relentless power. I hear them, the whispers of doubt, the insidious voices that slither into my mind, whispering, "Stop, give up, you can't." They are the true enemy, the parasites feeding on my potential. They seek to drain my resolve, to extinguish the fire that burns within. But I will not yield. I will not falter. I will drown their whispers in the thunder of my unwavering determination. This is not merely about building muscle. It's about forging an indomitable spirit. It's about unearthing the depths of my resilience, tapping into reserves of strength I never dared to dream existed. Each set, each rep is a victory cry, a testament to my unyielding will, my sacred vow to transcend the limitations I once accepted as my own. I will transcend the limits of human expectation. I will defy the odds. I will become a legend. The world may try to define me, to confine me within the narrow walls of their expectations. They may try to tell me what I can and cannot achieve, but I will rise above the din of their doubt. I will shatter the glass ceiling of perceived limitations. I will become the embodiment of possibility. This is not just about physical prowess. It's about mental fortitude. It's about embracing the discomfort that births extraordinary growth. I am a warrior. I am an athlete. I am a titan unleashed. I am unstoppable. I feel the surge of power coursing through my veins, igniting every fiber of my being. I feel the very ground tremble beneath my feet as I unleash the beast within. With every agonizing but glorious rep, I am getting stronger. I am summoning a force of nature. I am a tempest of will, an unstoppable force of human potential. I am stronger than I ever believed possible. Now, let the world witness my ascent.